Who among you is familiar with efficiency gain? Okay? Can you please type yes if you are familiar with efficiency gain? Type no if you are not familiar with efficiency gain. May I know ho? Efficiency gain. Familiar ba ho kayo? No, no, no. Okay. Okay, no, 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 no. Merong yes. Okay. So, efficiency gain. I'll discuss shortly ho ha, ang efficiency gain. Ang punto ko ho dito, pinapakita ko sa inyo, hindi ho ito paninira, that when you engage with PhilHealth, there will be this thing of consistent in being inconsistent. Very classic again is the efficiency gain. When PhilHealth implemented the all-case rate, okay, all-case rate ha, that was 2011 ang partial case rate, then 2013. 2013 ho, yung all-case rate. So, example, the statement of account is 10,000. Yung package ho is 15,000. So, may difference, di ba? So, saan pupunta yung 5,000? Sa hospital o sa pasyente? Okay? Ay, hindi ho kay PhilHealth. Okay? Yung sobrang 5,000, sa hospital ho yun. Yun ho ang kasunduan dyan. Okay? If the SOA is less than the package, pneumonia is 15,000. Yung SOA ho ninyo is 10,000. May 5,000. Sa inyo ho yung 5,000. Yan ho yung efficiency gain. Ang tawag namin dyan, yung 5,000, dahil efficient kayo, sa inyo yan. Okay? Sa inyo yan. So, the same ho yan lahat, efficiency gain. Yung efficiency gain, hindi ho si PhilHealth nag-imbento na yan. Ganun ho ang model ng case-based worldwide. Okay. Ang problema ho dun sa efficiency gain, binawi. Okay? Binawi ho yung efficiency gain. Bakit? Ang sabi ni COA, PhilHealth may problema ka. Okay? Bakit mo binabayaran yung sobra? So, ang bayaran nyo lang dapat is kung ano yung nakasulat sa statement of account. So, yan ho ang lumabas. Okay? So, tama ho kayo, sir. So, nilabas ho ni PhilHealth whichever is lower. Okay? Yan ho, yung current. Pero explanation ko ho, when all case rate was started, meron hong efficiency gain. Nilabas ho yung pay whichever is lower recently lang, 2019 or 2020. Tama ho kayo, sir. Ang point ko ho, sinabi, di ba, efficiency gain. Okay? Babawiin lang din pala. Okay.